Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine and safe. Today are going to discuss step ahead and our concerned topic is related to unit number 9 and the poem is Wandering. Before discussing the poem, here I am giving you the explanation of this poem and you will understand this according to this explanation. So first of all, the writer of the poem Wandering is Calvin Windsor. He was in a playground and imagine that he is in a small world around him. He senses or feels everything around this world or everything in this world here and enjoys a lot. Here the poem is As I lie here wondering. As I lie here mean poet is lying here on the grass and wonders the beauty and things around him, the wonders and the beauty of the playground. I feel an angry sweeping gust whirl around my legs. Now he in this line he is talking about the wind moving around him. He said that the wind is angry. Is angry, it means here the wind was moving very fastly. Sweeping mean moving, gust mean fast wind, whirl mean revolve around my legs. So we can say as the poet is lying on the grass and wonders the beauty and things around him. Now now he sensed the wind revolving around him. He said about the wind that the wind was very fastly or very fast moving around his legs. The grass bustles about like a green jungle. Now he talked about the grass around him on which he was lying. He said the grass bustles. Bustles mean move agitatedly or move fastly about like a green jungle. The grass were moving very fastly and the grass were too thick and dense that it was just like the green jungle. The leaves flap about. Flap mean quick moving or moving quickly. The leaves flap about in wind as paper whirls around the playground. Here he gives a representation or he gives a demonstration of a leaf flapping by the paper whirl around the playground. Here you uses the metaphor. According to this, the leaf is just like the paper which revolve on the playground and the paper is which we throw on the playground during our stay here. The seagulls squabble around scraps. The seagulls is a bird. Squabble mean here fight over scrap. They fight for scrap or scrap mean a piece of food and look greedily for more. They are asking for more and more food. Little insects crawl through the grass jungle. Here the grass jungle mean the grass is very dense and thick that it just look like the jungle. The little insects crawl mean little insects are moving slowly like wild animals in the small world I know little about. And what is the name of small world? The small world is that in which he was lying and it was the playground. I lie here wondering. He was wondering about the beauties and all the natural aspects of this land, or he was curious to know each and every single thing about this world. Hope you will understand this poem. Now, here are some questions related to this poem. You can take help from your step ahead for the questions and the answers is here on your screen. The first question is, where is the poet? As I told you earlier, he is at a playground. He was lying or he was sitting in a playground. The next question is, find two words the author uses to give us an image of the seagulls. The two words are squabble and greedily. Seagulls behaves or seagulls squabble to each other and they behave greedily for food. The third question is, in what way is the grass like a green jungle? The grass is like a green jungle to insects. Here we can say, as the meaning of this line is that the small insects are very small, so the grass behave just like a jungle for them. So we can say as grass is like a green jungle, and we can also say as the grass is so much dense and so much thick that it behaves like a green jungle for small insects or small creature crawling here. The next and last question is, I lie here wondering. Suggest what the poet is wondering about. What he was wondering, what he was searching, and what he was noticing and feeling. The poet is wondering to be a part of the small world he knows little about. He was wondering, he was curious, and he was feeling much pleasure to be a part of this small world. And what is the small world? The small world is the playground and the grass which was here. Hope you all will understand this. See you next time. Take care.